A. A for ant. This is ant. B. B for butterfly. This is butterfly. C. C for coconut. This is coconut. D. D for doll. This is doll. E. E for egg. This is egg. F. F for hawk. This is hawk.